Hello everyone, this is Miss Lily, and today we are going to learn how to draw both eyes the same.
Let's say you have watched my tutorial, you have followed the steps, and your drawing still looks bad. Honestly, all you need is more practices. It's a simple and generous rule of life that whatever you practice, you will improve at. Quoted Elizabeth Gilbert in her book Big Magic. And to help you guys practice more, I've created 6 different ways to draw anime eyes symmetrically. There are 6 anime eyes that I'm going to show you how I draw them. There will be 2 drawn in pencil, 2 inked, and 2 colored. Leave in the comment below which one is your favorite. Use the timestamp to skip to the ones that you want to draw. The first 3 sets of eyes has more feminine features, while the last 3 sets of eyes has more masculine and gender-neutral features. I'm going to challenge you to draw at least 3 out of these 6 eyes. Of course, the more practice you do, the better you get. Hello everyone, this is Miss Lily, and let's practice together. Here are some tips and reviews before we start. Draw lightly, especially at the beginning. This will help you erase easily and make adjustments later. Make sure the guiding crosses are perpendicular to each other. This one is a review from the last video. Draw both sides at the same time and constantly double check for yourself to see if both sides of the eyes look somewhat the same. Flick the eyelashes whether you are using pencil or when inking. You can imagine each of these lashes are curved triangle. Flick up, out, and in a curve. Instead of lining all the lashes up, try having different thickness and length. Drawing the realistic eye can help you understand better about the anatomies of the eyes and therefore understand why the anime eyes are drawn the way it is. One more thing to remember is that both the top eyelid and top of the iris are darker. You can make them darker by shading and making the line thicker. For the rest of the video, I won't be talking much because this video is designed for you to get more practice by drawing with me rather than a tutorial. I will have my assistants for you. Rock, potato, rock potato. Have fun with this and modify the eyes to make it your own. Take care everyone and don't forget to sit up and draw with good posture. If you find this video helpful, please share, like, and subscribe. Thank you so much for your support. Enjoy! So, Each video takes me around 13 to 21 hours to make all by myself. 4.5 years has gone by. I used to make these occasionally until I realized I'm only 400 view hours from YouTube monetization. So I've been trying to find ways and time to create videos more consistently. Messages like these tell me not to give up. Thank you so much.